Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I got a good relationship going on with Sony right now. I actually met up with one of the dudes at Sony out here in Kenosha at a restaurant, and he gave me this to go ahead and review. Well, he didn't give it to me, but he let me borrow it to do a review on, and then we got the WF XM4s over here that I can keep. So today I want to go and check this thing out. We got the XG300 over here, and this thing looks crazy. I saw it online before, and I was like, yo, I kind of want to check that out. So now here he is checking this out. But anyway, y'all know what you gotta do. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I got a decent amount of experience with Bluetooth speakers. I got the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7, I got the UE Megaboom 3, and then I got whatever that JBL speaker is. I think it's a Charge or something. Now, I mostly use the UE Megaboom 3 because it's small and it's portable and I can bring this thing everywhere, especially in the shower. Like, this thing is dope. So I guess really the only compact Bluetooth speaker that I got is the Onyx Studio 7. So now we got this. It looks pretty compact and I heard it sound pretty good. So we gotta check this thing out. All right, so let's look around this box real quick. So you can see here that it's pretty plain and basic, but it's because it's like an eco-friendly box. That's why they got this here. But we got the Sony logo, we got XG300, we got 24 hours of playtime, and then we got a Bluetooth logo here, as you can see, obviously, and it says wireless speaker. On the right side, just says live life loud. On the back, we got the Sony logo, IP67, 25 hours again. We got call hands free, and then we got lighting on it. We got the handle here, as you can see. You can download it on the Play Store, and it's made for iPhone and iPod, and you know, stuff like that. And on the left side, we have the left side of the speaker. On the bottom, we just got some stuff that I don't really care about. So if that's it, let's just go and get into the box. So we don't even need no knife or nothing. There's no tape on here. So it's telling us about the music center, and let's go ahead and get this up out the box. We have these two here. Let me go ahead and get that out. We got a user manual. You know what we do with that. We throw it to the side as always. And then we got the speaker itself. So, all right, it got a decent amount of weight to it. It's not too heavy, but if I go and get this thing out of here real quick, this thing looks nice. Snap. Okay, Sony, I see you. So it's a decent size too. I can't wait to hear the sound on here. I've always had a good experience with Sony sound quality on speakers, so man, it's gonna be dope. Let's check out the rest of the box real quick though. So we have this box right here, which look like it's gonna be our cables and stuff. So I was right, it looks like we got a cable up in here and it's our power cable and it's USB-C. So I was worried it's gonna be one of those circular ones, but cool. But yeah, just looking at the speaker, man, it's stylish. I like the material on here and the handle and everything about it. And also, one thing about the handle is that when you pull this up, it actually clips like that, so you can keep it in this position. That's dope. Looking on the speaker though, we got a power button, we got a Bluetooth button, and then we got a mega bass. You know I gotta hear that. I love my bass. Why do you think I love the Bose sound system in my car so much? We got a play and pause, which is also a call button. We have our volume down, and then we got our volume up. We got a Sony logo here on the handle. On the left and right side, we have the tweeters themselves, so looking pretty decently sized. On the bottom, we got some feet, so this thing ain't gonna slip around. And at the back, we actually have a port here. So we have a regular USB-A, we have an audio in, we have our USB-C port to charge it. We have our battery button, not really sure what that is yet. We'll see in a second. And then we got our light button here, which I'm pretty sure is just to turn on the lights on the speaker. And then the flap itself just got some info about the speaker. All right, man, I don't really care. I just want to see how this thing sounds. I'm hyped, all right? So check this out. As soon as I turn this thing on, it gave me a pop-up here, which actually interrupted my recording here in the video. And it just gave me a connect button. So that was mad easy. I ain't even have to do nothing. It's connecting, and let's just give this thing a minute. Can't connect. All right, cool. I don't know why I seem to always have issues with the easy pair, but I'm just going to my Bluetooth settings. So SRS, let's go and click on that. It says pairing, and let's get that in a minute. Now I'm clicking on the pair button, and check this out. Should just be easy enough. Wait for it. Come on, Sony. Okay, this thing tripping for real. I don't know what's up with this. All right, so what I did was I basically just turned off the Bluetooth and back on the speaker and the phone itself, and it's connected now, so cool. So we got the volume maxed out here at 150. I can't wait to hear this. We're going to Spotify, and I'm gonna play my music.
Big odds on the keyboard.
Oh. Decent amount of volume. Let me turn it around real quick towards me. Okay, let's wait for that bass drop.
Cross the border.
Not bad.
That's my shorty.
That's my
Yeah, shorty. Yeah, that's my shorty. Ay, you ain't gotta ask
Let's
me.
go and pause this real quick. It's on mega bass already, so I didn't even have to turn that on. Let me turn it off real quick and let's see how that sounds.
Let me get that neck, let me get that back. I'ma park the land, pull up in that light, like
That's louder.
the president when I'm in that rack. Say she need to text me, I got crack on the gram, she classy. She nasty. Hey, come on.
Honestly, it's not that big of a difference when you turn on mega bass. I thought it was gonna be something crazy like rumbling the table, but not really. But I do like how loud this thing gets. That is mad dope. And oh, look at that. Look, it got the, oh man, I can't even see it. We got the lights on the side here and they're changing colors right now. I ain't even have to do nothing. This is crazy. So changing like greens or blue and all these other different colors. That's dope. Now let me go and play some music that I ain't really worried about copyright. Sucks for y'all, but it is what it is. Before that though, I'm gonna go and play this bass heavy song that I heard in Series XM. So let me hear it real quick.
Yeah, forever. I said that I love you, bitch, forever. I don't know she broke.
Like I was saying, let's go to YouTube. Oh, hold on, I wasn't expecting that. Y'all saw that, right? Okay, that's decent. Let me just make sure it's all the way up. It is. Woo, okay, Sony. I see y'all, I see y'all. This is gonna be so depressing when I have to get this speaker back, but you know I'm buying one. That's crazy. It's in a whole different league, but it's still not touching back when I had a UE Mega Blast in. Well, let's just say, as soon as the bass kicked in, that thing died. I could never get it to turn back on. But this thing is something else. It sounds crazy. So I can actually demo this thing apparently by pressing and hold on to the play button. So let's go and try that real quick and see if it still works even though it's paired to my phone. Let me go and unpair it. Let's try it now. So now it's unpaired. Let me go and press and hold on to the power or the play and pause button. All right, still not. Boy, that scared the shit out of me. That's pretty clear. Now, I don't know what genre of music that was. What was that, pop or something like that? That's not what I listen to. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't remember the last time I listened to pop music. But that right there, it sounded pretty clear and I was feeling it. Now, I said I was gonna go and try this button back here, so let's go and try this real quick. So we got the battery button. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna click on this once.
Battery, about 60%.
All right, so it just says the battery life. Now, if I press and hold on to it, does it do something different?
Battery care mode on.
Battery pair mode, is that what it said? Hold on a second. Let me go ahead and hold on to that again.
Battery care mode.
Battery care mode, okay. So I'm assuming it like charges up to what, 75% or something like that? Okay. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go and get up out of here and I need to fix the table because it's driving me crazy. Maybe these screws need to be tightened or something. But hopefully I enjoyed this, man. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Tech on Instagram. Wait, hold up. Just Twitter right now. All right, roll the B-roll again. Follow me on my social media at Twitter right now because as y'all know, I got hacked on my other social media, but I know somebody that works at Meta, so they're working on my Facebook and my Instagram right now. Now I want to try one more thing. I just press and hold on to the mega bass button and another light turned on. So let's see. Let's play that one bass heavy song again.
Yeah, forever. I said that I love you, bitch, forever.
Oh, that was not no bass. There wasn't no bass up in there. No, sir. Lil Uzi Vert. It's like they sucked all the bass out of there. I ain't feeling that. No, let's put that back. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, okay, I see what's going on here. So I'm looking at this thing right now and it says stamina back where the other light is. So, okay, I guess that makes sense. But anyway, stay tuned for the review. For y'all that's watching my channel, y'all already know that I like to wait at least a month to go and review some, so that's how long it's gonna be. And stay tuned, because I'm gonna be unboxing the WF-1000X4s, and I got my Sony Link Buds S review coming soon, so stay tuned for that too. Anyway, I'm up out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and peace out.